The material is shredded into small pieces. This is crusher, which is used to crush the raw materials into smaller metal particles. These small pieces will then pass through sorting equipment to separate the aluminum. The sorting machines manufactured by Doing have screens with long holes, so the separated metal particles are evenly distributed and have high purity. The remaining materials are copper and iron. The magnetic separator then immediately removes small amounts of iron and finally separates the copper particles.